Hey, welcome to another video on my channel. So today I'll show you how to open the HUD without battery power in a Porsche 997. So I came to the car this morning and so the doors did not open, so I unlocked them manually. I put the key in here and try to turn it, and obviously stick in there. Nothing happens, and I even not able to pull it out again. So the easiest fix for that is you gotta go down there, open your fuse box, then you got that nice yellow tip, put it out, then go to the red. So see, this is the red one right here, shows the battery sign on it. Grab it with the fuse puller like so, pull on it to get it out, and if you have, use a simple trickle charger. So I got this one, put the clamp on, the positive here, and I use the Dawlash screw over there to put the negative one on. Next step is to plug in your trickle charger and just just listen. So it's powered right now, and randomly it goes to pop the hood. So as you see, my one is open. It's still plugged in. So in about 2 or 3 seconds it'll try to release it. Here, again and again. So disconnect the trickle charger and you're good to go. That's it. Okay, if my video helps you in any way, and of course if you like it, I'm more than happy if you leave me a thumb up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.